A very warm welcome to all my fellow SOLIDWORKS professionals. I still remember the day when we conducted technical meet for the first time. This event was conceived, designed, fostered and implemented by my ex-boss, late Mr. Ravi Vardarajan. You must be surprised to know that later on, complete APAC followed the idea of technical meet. Earlier, we used to conduct technical meet for pre-sales and post-sales teams together. Later on, we changed the format where pre-sales participates in a FTAE, a sales bootcamp, post-sales training implementation, and subs AE teams attend technical meet. In the past, we have taken you to a lot of exotic locations. We wanted to repeat the same this year as well. Unfortunately, in the current scenario, it is not possible. So what we done, we basically decided to embrace technology and planned virtual technical meet. This year, all technical functions are going to be part of this event. This includes pre-sales, post-sales, multi-product, subs, training and implementation. SOLIDWORKS India Virtual Technical Meet 2020 will be conducted from July 22nd to July 23rd, 2020. In order to attend this event, you need to register through a survey posted in CRE India Partners Technical Community on Worldwide Partner Platform. If you have not logged in into the platform yet, please do it now. Please log in into the partner platform and register yourself. All participants need to have laptop or desktop with SOLIDWORKS 2020 installed and internet connectivity of at least 2 Mbps to attend this event. On day one, we are going to have industry solution presentations. We have created 47 teams of VARs across India and Sri Lanka. Each VAR office need to create solution presentation on a given industry and upload the video recording of this industry solution presentation as final deliverable. We will collect 47 industry presentations or demos in the form of videos and filter out top 8 presentations. And these teams are going to present live during day one. Day one is going to close with 2 activities that you need to complete by burning some midnight oil. You are going to submit deliverables on day 2 morning. So detail of these activities will be shared on the day of the event. On day 2, we are going to do a lot of activities that includes Model Mania to check your modeling skills, speed and accuracy, industry quiz to test pure industry knowledge. Note that we are not going to have even one question from SOLIDWORKS or CAD in this test, following by industry presentation on fundamentals of manufacturing enterprise. So post this, we are going to have breakout sessions for pre-sales, post-sales and subs. Last session of the day is going to be on 3D Experience platform, followed by awards and feedback. You are going to receive detailed agenda and go to webinar link upon successful registration. In case you are facing any challenge in connecting to the 3D Experience partner platform, do get in touch with me. So signing off, Gurpreet Singh.